my name is Shilpi Patni, and I'm the co-founder of an OTT platform that is Moon Indie Cinema. And we have recently launched our product, and it is based on SVOD model, subscription video on demand. So basically, my question is, like we have started getting the traction, we are getting the subscribers. So it is the right time we should launch. We should approach the investors, or people say that you should wait at least 6 months or 1 year so that you can get millions of subscribers, or this is the right time. And I have heard that there are few companies, they charge something from you, and they say that we will get you the investor, we will prepare everything for you. So is it the right method, or we should directly approach the investor through the website or something, or we should wait more? Like I'm sure that OTT markets are rising, so I'm sure about my product, and I'm sure that we will get good subscribers in the near future, in 1 or 2 or 3 months, and we make originals also. So so this is my question: is this the right time, or we should wait?
See, first let me answer your question whether you should approach the investors directly or through a channel. Okay, that entirely depends upon the kind of approach you have. If you are connected to the investors, say, let's say example, Hrithik Roshan. Okay, Hrithik Roshan has invested into a lot of startups. Suppose you are connected directly to the manager, or maybe to Hrithik Roshan in a straightforward way. It is always good to get introduced by somebody you know directly, right? Okay. So Yuvraj Singh or whomsoever, because your industry, you will be approaching people from the entertainment industry. So if you get such kind of direct connects, go for them. Else, you go through a channel. Now, channel may not be giving you such kind of investors. Like suppose you approach Startup Lanes, NR Angel Network, SL Angels, which is the domestic network. We have NRI Angels, which is the international one. Both the networks are not focused towards particular industry. So we might not commit that we will be having celebrities on board. So this might be good, this might be bad for you. I'll tell you how it could be good, because again, somebody who does not understand that industry or is not an influencer of the industry may not be interfering, right? Obviously, there is a risk of approaching Shah Rukh Khan or Sunil Shetty. They will tell you what to do, isn't it? Yes. But investor who's working as a VP in TCS may not be telling what to do, because he or she does not know. Right? They will be just supporting what you are doing. So this could be the case. Other case is whether you have the database, because if you have the database of investors, then nothing like it. Start approaching yourself. If you don't, then don't wait, because channelize you go, you will be able to reach out the investors at a faster pace, because for networks it's a daily bread and butter, everyday thing that we do. So that is
my question is like in the beginning it is bootstrapped. So I am the one who is investing in this company, and I'm the co-founder. But like we need money for marketing, right? Like in the near, like from the next week, we need more money for the marketing, because in OTT market, जितना आप market करोगे उतना ही आपको subscribers मिलेंगे. So now we need early stage investors. If is it possible, like if we can approach?
That is possible, and that is how it comes up. But it is based upon the dollar return. Dollar return is something. Suppose I invest 1 lakh rupees. Just taking example, I will not be investing just 1 lakh. If I invest, example, 1 lakh rupees, how much revenue my 1 lakh creates for you?
Okay.
So that is the dollar return value. Right, this is the KPI that will be calculated on the basis of CACs to LTVs to the conversion rate. That means simple करके बताता हूँ, आपने एक Facebook पे या Google पे ऐड दिया, 70 रुपए का ऐड दिया, 80 रुपए में ऐड एक आया, बट वो कस्टमर ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया. So suppose 100 people clicked and 30 people subscribed. Right, out of those 30, what is their lifetime value? कितने साल तक वो सब्सक्राइब करते रहेंगे? Retention क्या है? उससे पता लगेगा that what is your CACs to LTV, customer acquisition cost क्या है, और LTV lifetime value कितना generate हो रहा है. And what is your requirement, we will be creating a bifurcation. जब हम उसको investors को present करते हैं, in the KPIs we create a bifurcation that my 1 lakh rupees, out of my 1 lakh, say 90,000 will be going for customer acquisition. Okay. So my 1 lakh will generate, say 5 lakh of revenue. Then I will compare with industry peers. I will compare with other OTTs, because you may not be the only application I have. I'm talking about investor, not as a network. I will be comparing, and if suppose company X is showing more return on dollar, right, then I will prefer that, because homogeneous companies, two OTTs, there is one, like you must be knowing, Rahul Narvekar is promoting it, some Marathi cinema, right, OTT entirely dedicated to Marathi OTT. So it does not matter which language it is, but in terms of the financials, whichever is an attractive proposition, then that helps us in taking. It is as simple as that. Two banks, one giving you 6% interest, another giving you 7%. Both are banks. So commonly you will invest in the 7% interest, because that is also a bank, right? Similarly here, these kind of projections detect. So your time is right time, but you need to have those dollar return, CAC, LTV, everything, financial projections, everything ready. Right? If you can do those documents yourself, well and good. Cannot do those documents, do not approach a chartered accountant. I'm sorry saying that, but chartered accountants generally use an approach which is generally accepted accounting principle, which is not too much suitable for investment banking industry. So approach an investment banker, somebody who has the experience of raising funds and who understand how these numbers work, because these are very complicated numbers. Investors don't have time, they just want to see, simple as that, from if I give you money, how much I get, right? So there are calculations to calculate that, and if you project that, time is saved. Whichever network you approach, they will accept it. If that proposition is good, every angel network, Mumbai Angels, Indian Angels, wherever you go, they will just do this calculation. If the proposal is attractive, definitely they will put it forward in front of the investors, because investors are limited, startups are many, so we have to do some kind of filtration.
Fine.